Yeah, this is a dangerous winter storm that's on its way in. It's been dangerous so far. I know we've lost a couple of people to hypothermia recently. We are preparing for all those folks to come in if they like. We have Operation White Flag in full swing right now. That means we have space for people to come in. We make space for people to come in and get out of the elements. A lot of times your mentally ill homeless population don't really grasp that they can actually die. And a lot of times folks who stay out in camps are using drugs. And again, they're not with it. They don't realize, hey, I can really die during this. So it's important, we as a community need to watch out for these folks.